Hello everyone, in this video I am going to show you how to make images move in your videos. So let's get started. So, the first thing we need to do is import any image or images. I've got this image from my system storage. Now, let's get them onto the timeline. Drag and drop. To make this image move, we need to set some keyframes. Click on the image, and you'll see options for position and size. Let's start. I'll set a keyframe here at here. At this time, I want the scale to be 100, and the position to be 0, 0. Now, at a later time, let's say here, I want the scale to be 200, and you can also change position, if you want. See that keyframe? You can move it to different times. And now, watch as this image smoothly moves across the screen. Now, if you found this video helpful, give this video a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon. Goodbye.